Alright guys, Tour de Robbie. Dylan, team oversight with Robbie. We're going to film his opening of the Maximum Crisis Special Edition, which you just bought.
Come on, Ash, please. How you open this? Never mind, I figured it out. Alright. Should I open all the boxes first?
It's up to you, however you want to do it.
We'll show ratios of those, I guess, too, if you want, later on when we're done pulling them all. This is going to be a big-ass mess. I really hope I pull one.
I got
Really good reprint.
Ignite OTK.
Oh, I think this is going to be the best card that comes out of the...
I really hope that Pro tells us that we're getting Rescue It back at like 3. Yeah, I got it.
I mean, I'm gonna keep it as if I'm not crazy about it. That's out like once a week. So we
Yeah.
Yeah.
So far, pretty even.
Scary. Go down low. About the same.
You gonna take your trash with you?
Yeah, I've thrown it away.
How many boxes are there? 5 on each side, so 10.
Yeah, probably 10.
So it's 30 packs of Maximum Crisis.
Yeah.
It's like 3 packs left in the box, but the promo is make up more card numbers.
Yeah, for sure.
That's cool. I didn't even think about that.
This one's kind of hard to get. This one's excellent. Basically the two worth.
It might come out to be even. I really don't know how they ratio that. Why should be like even and like I'm just an idiot and
That'd be cool. I would like to get a play set if I can off of these.
I really like the foil. That's magic.
I already have 2 already. If I have extras, I can turn them in. If they're worth nothing, I'll give them to you.
I don't like signing all that in. I like signing 6 cards a week.
Move this stuff so I don't like.
Looks like the most one you get is the one that's worse, the bogey trap. Yeah, get the most bogey traps. So, what is that? 5 of that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of that. 4, 5 and 4. Yeah, 5 and 5. The lowest, the best one, essentially. All right. Time for however many packs are out here. Come on, Ash. I'm gonna throw all the cash in here.
Don't need Ash.
Yeah, I need Ash.
Ew.
Oh, I better do this. Oops. I want to throw him over there. Oh, that's
Oh,
collectible.
bang.
Bang, for sure.
The collection continues.
Another bay.
So this actually equals out to a box, pretty much.
Yeah.
Is that all super so far?
Yep.
Isn't Zark in this?
Yep.
I'm gonna cry if I get him.
Dark Tornado, Ultra Ball, Ghost Alliance.
They're all supers. We'll just need like the misprint
The
special
box.
edition box case, whatever we call this.
It's only like
There's an ultra.
it's like way down. It's like $7 or $8. Yeah.
What I mean, oh, I know what you're saying. It could be like the other box there where the guy got no secrets in the whole case. So he said.
He pulls one. It'll probably be up around here. You already have a tornado, right?
Yeah.
It's okay, we're saving them all for the end.
Apparently.
At the end of the day, like, in the 6-card thing, usually it's first or second. I don't know any board and breakers, though. First one.
Give you my luck.
I got the basic.
We're going first one.
Show your face.
Additionally.
Yo, Mike, how many separate teachings do you
No, that's what I'm saying. Is I don't want to have more than 6.
What are you playing them in?
That's messing with your metal. So,
That sounds lit.
I don't know.
I actually love that card.
More about dinosaurs, but it's don't really.
I want to make a deck that trolls us, but I don't know any now.
This card really is on because the Earth thing, whenever it activates,
I think what this is telling you guys is don't buy these special edition cases.
Yeah, really.
It's like 50. If you ask Chad, he's like 5 secrets for 6 boxes. Bastards.
I'm definitely not. I don't know.
That right side's gotta be stacked with the secrets. Quick open the next box.
Make sure you get anything good over there.
This is a diagram.
Really?
Oh, my god.
Okay.
It's only one ultra too. Not even a bunch of ultras.
That's not good.
Did you really pull one?
Yeah, I've been one.
Okay, or Jack wants that. That's not the one I want though.
That was cool.
What is like the more or less average of these that we've seen?
Diagram Ash.
So there's only 2 secrets in this whole thing.
Two good ones.
Oh, bright side, your bulk is gonna love you.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's insane.
How many packs you got left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You've opened up 2/3 of your box already, and there's one secret.
That's a bad one. This is my luck. It really is. I'm gonna open up this one towards me. Just cuts. This is an ultra.
All right, it's more than 2/3 down, and no one secret. Oh my lord!
We'll go with the bottom one. You guys stacked this box so bad.
Oh my lord! I'm getting nervous.
Yeah, that's a bad secret. It's gonna be Zark, I know it. Yeah, I know. It's gonna be definitely gonna be a Zark.
On the bright side, you can build bird lollies. Oh my lord!
What is going on?
You have 3 packs.
3 secrets. Let's go.
Oh my god, this is so bad, guys. Please give me an Ash.
Second unending nightmare.
Konami's gonna see this on YouTube and be like, yes, back to when we first released the boxes. Oh my god!
One down to the last.
Secret in the whole display.
What is this?
Is this the last pack?
Yeah.
This is it.
2 ultras?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, he got his other
So bad.
Like, comment, and subscribe. This is Team Oversight. Good night.